I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play campaign mode in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. To begin your journey, simply navigate to the main menu and select the campaign option. From there, you will choose New Game to start a fresh narrative experience. Before diving in, remember to select your desired difficulty, ranging from Recruit for a relaxed pace to Veteran for a significant challenge. As you progress, you will encounter a wide array of weapons, each with unique characteristics. Experiment with different loadouts and attachments to find what suits your playstyle. Effective use of cover and tactical movement is crucial for survival, especially on higher difficulties. Your primary goal will be to complete various mission objectives, which often involve eliminating enemies, securing locations, or gathering intelligence. The Modern Warfare campaign offers a gripping story, unfolding through stunning cinematic cutscenes that drive the plot forward. Pay close attention to the dialogue and character interactions to fully grasp the motivations and allegiances of your allies and adversaries. The narrative is designed to be immersive, delivering intense and impactful moments that will keep you engaged from start to finish. To enhance your campaign experience, always explore your surroundings for hidden intel or collectibles, which often provide additional lore. Don't hesitate to adjust your weapon loadout between missions to best tackle upcoming challenges. For those seeking mastery, replaying missions on harder difficulties or aiming for faster completion times can offer new perspectives and extend your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.